How to change the position of taskbar in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly right click on your taskbar. Then you will see a small menu. Simply go to taskbar setting from that. After that, once the setting application opens, you will see different options for your taskbar. Scroll down. Simply go to taskbar behavior and toggle on the feature of automatically hide the taskbar. So once this feature has been toggled on, whenever you open any application, you will see that the taskbar will automatically hide itself. Now the next method to change the position of taskbar is to go to again taskbar behavior. There you will see the option of position. Simply go to the drop-down menu and choose the option of left if you have chosen center. And the taskbar will now be aligned to the left-hand side. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.